Yes, we'll DJ together. You know, I have a big hunch from the reports that we are getting from the ground that the NPP will be a formidable force. And even if we are close to 26, 27, 28, I don't think that there should be any difficulty in establishing ourselves as a party with a big mandate. I don't know. I hope that we will be able to do better. I hope we will be able to do better.
How it's being carried out the election, because their aim is to have a free, fair and transparent elections.
Sometimes it was unnecessarily very, very pressurizing for candidates, because out of the blue, you know, they would want us to remove simple things like flags from my personal premises. I think that was taking it a little too far, because you are inconveniencing me and so many hundreds of other candidates. So that I thought was not necessary. The other thing was that, you know, the BLOs were not able to, serve all of the voter slips to the voters and constituents across my constituencies adequately. And that slowing down the polls a lot. I have just come from about, out of 15, I have been to about 12 I've been to about 9 polling stations. At about 12:30, quarter to 1, it was as low as 50%. So I hope that we will not have too many late comers to the stations, because then there's going to be a lot of problems. This year, however, in my constituency, there was no slack of EVM machines. So the VVP pads were also doing very well. Overall, it's been a peaceful polling in my constituency. I have not heard of any untoward incident occurring in any other part of the city as well. I feel that there's been a lot of negative reporting about seizure of money, large amounts in various parts of Shillong city and other parts of the state as well, the districts. That is not a good trend, and overall I think the Election Commission has conducted these elections quite smoothly over and above the few errors that we saw here and there.
Your constituency has a total of how many electorates?
We have 25,200 plus. I don't know what the last count was. And it was about 50% till about 12:30, more or less on an average. I hope that voters will come out and cast their votes, because elections are your authority. You are the authorities of your votes, and you should give mandates to candidates. So all of that will come into play. Let us finish till 4 o'clock, and then I'll probably be able to evaluate the kind of voting that went on in my constituency.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.